is a 2020 Tesla Model Y. We're going to wash it up, get it prepped up. We're going to do a full front end PPF, rocker panels included, trunk ledge, headlights, and then we're going to put our 3-year ceramic coating on it. Come along for the ride, guys. We're using a Geon iron and Geon tire cleaner. Geon tire. It's been a couple minutes now with the Geon iron. These rims are actually very clean, which is to be expected since it's a virtually brand new vehicle. And we'll just get in there and scrub. It's important to get this really clean, obviously, because we're going to come in. We're going to put a ceramic coating on these rims here, which will make it super easy to clean going forward. The tires are also very clean, but again, that's to be expected with a brand new vehicle. Pressure washer. The first process in the decontamination step is applying Geon iron. This is going to burn all the embedded iron that's off the paint. This is a brand new vehicle here. Foreign contaminants, rail dust from the railroad cars, brake dust. Where you can see it's reacting already. It's a chemical reaction when it goes purple. We're doing this to get the paint super clean because we're going to put paint protection on the front end of the vehicle here. And obviously, we don't want to cover anything up. It shouldn't be there. So we've put the iron remover on. We've just foamed the car down for the first time. Now we're going to rinse it off. We'll reapply foam. Then we're going to do our contact wash method next. Now we're going to go over the car. We're going to look for any tar spots, black flecks that are on the car. We're going to wipe that off now at this point. Then we'll come back and we'll rinse off the bug and the tar remover. So upon further close inspection of the vehicle, we still notice there's some iron in the car. It's easy to find in a white car like this. It shows up as micro flecks of red. That's just the iron which becomes rust, which sits on the clear coat. It's not good. So we're just the second step of this. We're slowing down. We're taking our time. We're doing the job right today. Now it's time for the final wash, the contact wash. Okay, we got plenty of soap on the vehicle now. We're going to use our 2-bucket method. Now we're going to dry these rims or the wheels with our dedicated towels for the tires and the rims. Now we're going to remove the Tesla emblem so we have a cleaner install with the paint protection film. That way we don't wind up with a seam around the Tesla badge, which can grab dirt, debris along the way.
At this point, we're removing any additional remaining adhesive from the vehicle. We're inspecting to make sure it's super clean.
We're gonna weed the computer cut film now. So that means we're going to pick out the PPF that's not needed to leave us a piece of that are needed.
So at this point, we're removing any excess film that's not part of the pattern, and we'll be left with our hood and our mirror pieces.
The smaller pieces you see are for the mirrors. Okay, now we're gonna spray some slip solution on the hood.
The slip solution is critical to proper install. We're gonna get the film transferred to the hood, and then we'll find some alignment points that are pre-cut into the piece, and we're gonna tack it onto the hood. We're doing our mirrors here. We're getting those nice installed.
Those are also pre-cut. We used all computer cut, CNC cut.
Here we're working on the bumper. We're getting it ready. We're going to apply it to the front bumper, transfer it onto the bumper, get it set up. Now we're working on the front driver fender. The headlights are critical here, so we're installing the headlights. This is a great option, another add-on option we recommend for every client to buy. Stop the yellowing and the rock chips from tearing those apart down the road. Here we're getting ready to polish the vehicle. We're applying our tape to protect the paint, the delicate surfaces. Working on the back step. Do a test section first. We're going to go through and inspect. make sure everything's looking great. Paint's looking great. Now we're ready to get through and get this all polished up. The polish step is very critical to make sure that the car is ready to accept the ceramic coating. We find polishing to be absolutely critical. This is the critical phase. This makes the vehicle look better, but it's the foundation for a proper ceramic coating installation. We're getting all the defects out of the vehicle, and then we're getting the paint properly prepared to accept that ceramic coating. So we're polishing it down, inspecting our work. We come back. Some areas we have to go over it multiple times. It all depends on the paint condition. Again, another inspection step. We're always using our light. We're looking. We're making sure all the swirls, all the scratches are out. Now we're ready to install the rocker panels with paint protection film. The rocker panels are critical from these Teslas. That back area right where my hand is in front of the wheel well, that will get chewed up with paint chips. That's self-inflicted damage from the vehicle, from the front tires, kicking rock chips, stone chips back up on the paint into itself. Trunk ledges are great add-ons too. Protect the vehicle from scratches from golf clubs, strollers, shopping bags, dragging in and out of the rear hatch there. We definitely recommend paint protection film on the rocker panels for every Tesla Y. Now we're getting ready for our ceramic coating. We're doing our prep wipe there. We wipe the whole vehicle down, removes any oils, contaminants that are on the vehicle. We're getting the vehicle almost surgically clean before we install the ceramic coating. And this is the fun part. We're putting our ceramic coating on, wiping it on, making sure we get a nice uniform coverage, and we wipe off here. It looks simple, but this is really the key to making things look great here. Proper wipe off ensures that there's no high spots and the vehicle looks great when it's done. So this is really why we don't recommend this to be a DIY, do-it-yourself project here. Wiping it on, take it off, and we'll inspect it multiple times here. Keep looking for it. I'm going over the whole vehicle. It's not required for paint protection film, but the ceramic coating on the paint protection film definitely helps. In summer, we did full front end, rocker panels, trunk ledge for paint protection film. This vehicle got our 3-year ceramic coating. If you have any questions, contact us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.